Hey y'all, it's your girl Jasmine Fox, and to prove how amazing this curly hair routine is, what better place than to style my hair outside? I'm using the Jazz Up My Curls Grapeseed Buttercream, my favorite hair moisturizer, and it will keep your curls popping no matter what season it is. So you want to start off with wet, clean hair. This is the best way to get that curl definition and make sure that your curls are absorbing your product the best. I apply a generous amount of the buttercream to my edges and then work that down to my ends. And as you can see, all those natural oils and butters absorb right into your hair without weighing it down, which my clients absolutely love, and so do I. Next, I'm going to section my hair so that I can really get inside those roots. I always tell y'all it doesn't matter what hair texture you have, it's very difficult to hit all of your hair without sectioning. So keep it simple, work that product through. And then I'm going to detangle it with my wide tooth comb to make sure it's evenly distributed. And am I the only one that gets hair shedding when I'm styling my hair? Like this video if you can relate. Now I'm just adding a little bit more water and buttercream to my ends to make sure they are clumped. This is extremely important for those bouncy, fluffy results that I love, and clumped ends will also help your curls to last longer. So next I'm going to flip my hair upside down so I can get that volume as well as hit that kitchen. Now as you can see, there's a little frizzy clump right there. All you need to do is add some more water and a little bit more product if necessary. I think the main reason a lot of us struggle with curl definition and detangling is because we keep slapping product into our hair, but the issue is our hair just isn't wet enough. So if this is a problem for you, it could just be that your products do not have the right ingredients that will add that slip when you're styling your hair, or you just need to add some more water. Now this is just a little technique that I've been doing because I love volume. All you're going to do is lift your hair up like you're about to put it into a ponytail, but what this really does is lift your roots off of your scalp so you get that extra volume and fullness that some of us absolutely love. Next, I'm just going to diffuse my curls on low heat, medium speed. And if you'd like an updated tutorial on how I diffuse my curly hair, just drop a comment down below. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, congratulations! I've got a free gift coming up just for you in a few seconds, so stay tuned. And here are the final results. Gorgeous, shiny, soft, moisturized, and defined. I mean, what more could a curly head ask for, y'all? I hope you all enjoyed my updated curly hair routine, but before you leave, I want to give you my new ebook, How to Conquer Dry Hair. For free, y'all. That's right, for free. Listen, if you struggle with dryness, hair breakage, frizz, tangles, this is a wonderful resource to help guide you through the journey towards hydrated, healthy curls. I've packed it with some of my best tips to help you keep your curls moisturized and better understand your specific hair texture so you can grow healthy, strong hair and finally defeat dryness for good, okay? So if you're ready to get this special gift for free, go ahead and click the link right down below so you can let me know where to send your new ebook. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. And if you have any suggestions for some future hair tutorials, go ahead and let me know. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. God bless you.